this place, my friend. It's called Gtin Bay and Dogs Bay Beaches. Look, and here's the picture of it here. Look, so there's two beaches right beside one another. Please close the gate. I will. Wow, look at this, my friends, look at this. Only in Ireland, my friends, only in Ireland. Fantastic. Wow. I mean, just look at the places that we have here in Ireland that are equally, if not better, than many of the so-called fantastic tourist spots in the world. Now, I've been to some fantastic places. I've been to Vancouver, and the mountains around Vancouver are fantastic. I've been to Yosemite National Park. I've been to the Grand Canyon twice. Niagara Falls, you know what I mean? I was out at Ayers Rock in Australia, cairns in the Northern Territory, and I can tell you for nothing, they won't beat this. And I done the so-called 17-mile drive in California's coast from San Francisco down to Los Angeles, and I can tell you one thing for nothing, it is this places like here will just blow them places away. I'm telling you now, blow them away. There's a shower there now. We're in the month of July here, and only for I got this jumper on me, I'd be cold. Mad wind coming off the Atlantic there. But oh, this is unbelievable. Look how far you can go on walks here. Look, there's cattle way over on that peninsula over there. Like I see a person walking way down there, way down there. Now I'm not going to walk there now, right? But this is fabulous. Look. There's two beaches side by side, right? This one here, and there's one over there. Whole beach over there. Look, in close proximity to one another, in a beautiful surrounding. Oh, this is magical, my friends. Come to Ireland and come to Connemara and do the Wild Atlantic Way. You will not be disappointed, my friends. I'd say it would be crazy over here in the winter time. You'd want to have like 3 or 4 coats on you, because as I said to you, there's no protection out there. That's the Atlantic Ocean you're looking at out there, you know what I mean? And the majority of the wind that we get here in Ireland is normally westerly winds, you know? So yeah, I would say it'd be freezing cats and dogs here in the winter. But this is just beautiful, beautiful. I'm just going to call that them magical waves. Ireland's magical waves on the west coast of Ireland, the northwest coast of Galway County. Right. Take a look at this village here, my friends, or town. Let's call it a village. Roundstone. It's fantastic, and it's real touristy because there's not a car park space up on the hill there. So have a look at this, my friends. Now it's a pity there's no zoom on the camera because I'm looking here, right, the water here is so calm, right? But look at the mountains in the foreground there. They're the mountains, the Connemara mountains there you're looking at. You know what I mean? It's just fabulous. Fantastic. So as you can see, they have a country market every Sunday. Local crafts, gifts, food and more. Look at the harbour here, isn't it gorgeous? Look. Look at that old wooden boat there. Wow. Now it's not just so picturesque. It really is like picture postcard kind of stuff here, definitely. I can see why this is a big, huge tourist attraction, the whole of the Wild Atlantic Way. Because you're seeing scenery and villages like this all the time. It's just fantastic. Like we've nothing like this over on the east coast of Ireland. Well, you have Carlingford maybe, and you have Wicklow down as you go down past Dublin, but you don't have the scenery where you're stopping the car every 5 minutes. You know what I mean? Like the scenery just abounds out here. It's fabulous. There's a big, ominous, dark, thundery shower there in the distance over the Connemara mountains. But I don't care, my friends, because I'm beside my car and had a fantastic day here. Fantastic. Check it out, my friends, Connemara. There's so much to see. I mean, I'm only over here for 2 days and maybe 3. I'll come back over here again in a heartbeat. It's fantastic, fantastic. Right, people, I'm going to sign off from here now because my battery's running out. So, signing off from another fantastic day in Connemara on part of the Wild Atlantic Way. I'm after having a fantastic day. I'm after seeing fantastic scenery. I hope you did. Hope you all enjoyed it. So stay tuned for the next video. I don't know when I'm going to spend another day in Connemara or go home tomorrow. But either way, I'll have another video next Sunday. So stay tuned, people. Press the notification bell to know when my next video is uploaded. And if you're new to the channel, please press the subscribe button. Thank you very much and see you all again. Take care. Bye.